Okay, me, Hank, and cousin Matt are out fishing. 2 days after Christmas in the morning. Matt's got a new native Slayer kayak. The first time, it's his maiden voyage. So we're out here just messing around trying to catch some fish.
I just turned around. Yeah. I just turned around. Like, what in the world is that right behind me?
Like in stock?
I'm the same color, so you must think I'm his mama.
Right.
Try to.
This is Matt's new native Slayer kayak. Really nice kayak. Didn't take long for him to get used to. All right, first fish in the new native. Oh, Tom's on again. I told you this is where the trout are.
See if we get something to pop on top water.
All right, Tom's on to another trout.
Getting all the birds out of the roost. Time to wake up. Let's go. Moving out.
All right.
Little trout. Easy, buddy. Little guy.
Tom's on to another trout. That looks like a decent fish.
Big enough. They're not little so far. Easy, buddy. No. Oh, yeah. Feels pretty heavy. I don't know what it is. No, it's a big ass ladyfish. Damn.
Hey, Tom's catching all the fish. We were only catching small trout, so we decided to move into the creek itself to see if the fishing would be any better there. Even if we didn't catch any fish, it was really nice to get out of the wind for a while. What do you got, Tom? Oh, nice. Nice red, Tom. Yep. Now, if you noticed what I did there, I turned my front camera on with the eye of my pole. Now, if that was a 30-inch red, I would not be doing that. Well, this is good to see. Small reds, little rat reds. Tom caught 3 or 4, I think. And I got this one. It's a good sign.
All right, little red.
I just lost him. Tom, come over and caught him on me.
I think it's another one. This wasn't this silver. This is more red. Nice blue ones.
Oh, yeah. Another nice, healthy redfish. Sweet. Well, it was time to head back. It was a good day overall. It's the end of December and we're fishing. Also, Matt broke in his new kayak and he was thrilled with it. Thanks for watching.